In this video, we will guide you through the steps to install the Severe Contracture Grip on your Motus Hand. If possible, it's advisable to seek assistance as this process can be challenging with just one hand. Step 1. Removing the finger extension grip. Begin by identifying the finger extension grip, which looks like this. To remove it, unscrew the black capped screws located on each side of the grip. Continue until the screws are completely removed from the Motus Hand. You may find it helpful to place the Motus Hand on a flat surface, such as a table, during this step. Set the finger extension grip aside and take the Severe Contracture Grip. Step 2. Removing screws from the Severe Contracture Grip. Unscrew the black capped screws from the Severe Contracture Grip and place them aside. Step 3. Installing the Severe Contracture Grip. Slide the Severe Contracture Grip into the arms of the Motus Hand, paying attention to the linkages on the inside of the Motus Hand arm. Ensure that the holes on the Severe Contracture Grip align with the grooves of the linkages. Next, secure the Severe Contracture Grip by screwing in the black capped screws through the grooves of the Motus Hand linkages into the holes of the Severe Contracture Grip. No need to over-tighten at this stage, as you may need to make adjustments later to fit your hand comfortably. You can customize the position of the Severe Contracture Grip to suit your arm length. Once you've found the desired position, proceed to tighten the black capped screws to ensure the Severe Contracture Grip remains securely in place, preventing any sliding. This is what the Severe Contracture Grip should look like when it is installed properly. Great job!